In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can clear your GTA 5 cache here on a PS5. Before we do get into this guide, if it does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. It really does let us know that you want more content like this. And if you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there so I can help you out further. And there's a few ways to do this. We're going to go over the first way, which is clearing it in-game and then clearing it out of the game as well. And I'm going to use College Football 26 as an example, just since I actually don't have GTA 5 installed right now. Actually, you know what? We'll use GTA, San Andreas as an example, but essentially open up GTA 5 for you, and as soon as you see the loading screen with all the rotating images, so like once you get like kind of loaded into the game, what you're going to want to do is press L1 and R1, that's your bumpers, together about 4 times. So you do this like L1 R1, L1 R1, L1 R1, L1 R1, if that kind of makes sense. So do it 1, 2, 3, 4, and on that 4th time, hold down L1 and R1 and just keep holding them until the next screen appears, and you'll be prompted to recalibrate your screen settings. Once you do that, GTA 5's cache has been successfully cleared. This is not the recommended way. This is just one way to do it. The way that I would personally recommend is by clearing your entire PS5 system cache, which can help any games, or if your console feels slow overall, it'll help with that as well. But essentially, fully power off your PS5. Don't put it in rest mode. Make sure it is completely turned off and the lights are off. And you can do this just by hitting the PlayStation button, going over to this little power option and hitting turn off PS5. And then from here, go to the physical power button on your PS5 and press and hold down on that power button. You're going to hear one beep, and then you're going to hear a second beep. After the second beep, release that button, and your PS5 is going to now boot into safe mode. And from here, go ahead and just connect your controller using the USB-C cable and press the PlayStation button on your controller, and then choose Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. From this menu, confirm the option, let the process run, and your PS5 may restart a few times. It might take even longer depending on how much data you have. Don't worry, that's normal. And once the process is finished, your PS5 will restart normally, and your data, games, and saves will remain intact, and your system will feel so much smoother. But that is it. Your GTA 5 cache and PS5 cache are now going to be cleared. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.